We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes us to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing we've done a great job, as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. We value everyone, new and old. Whether you are brand new or been through our doors before, we would love the chance to make you happy. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.